I spent 3 months using AI to write work emails, and every single one sounded like it was written by a corporate chatbot. Polite, stiff, zero personality. My manager actually asked me if I was okay because my emails suddenly sounded nothing like me. That is when I realized the problem was not the AI.
Here is what most people do. They open ChatGPT or Copilot and type something like, "Write a professional email to my team about the project update." And the AI delivers something perfectly professional and perfectly generic. It uses phrases you would never say. "I hope this message finds you well. Please do not hesitate to reach out. Kind regards." If you have never said, "I hope this message finds you well" in your life, why would you let AI say it for you? The problem is not that AI writes badly. It writes fine. It just does not write like you. And that gap between AI's voice and your voice is what makes people suspicious. Your coworkers can tell. Your manager can tell. That is the robot problem. The fix is what I call the voice lock method. 3 steps. Sample, define, lock. Step 1, sample. Go to your sent folder right now and find 3 to 5 emails or messages you actually wrote. Not the ones AI helped with, the ones you typed yourself. Pick ones that sound like you at your best. Clear, confident, natural. Step 2, define. Look at those samples and write a 1-line voice brief. Something like direct, short sentences, no jargon, always leads with the point. Warm, but not fluffy. That is your voice in 1 line. Step 3, lock. Take that voice brief and paste it into every prompt you write. Or better yet, save it as a custom instruction in ChatGPT or a reusable prompt in Copilot. Now every email, every message, every document AI writes for you starts from your voice, not the generic default. Let me show you exactly how this works. I am going to write the same email 2 ways. First, the generic way most people do it. Write a professional follow-up email to my team about the project timeline change. This is generic prompt, and hence we get generic robotic response. Now watch what happens when I add my voice brief. Same prompt, and I added, use this voice. Direct, short sentences, no jargon. Leads with the point. Warm, but not fluffy. See the difference? Same email, same request, but this one actually sounds like a human wrote it. Without a voice brief, generic tone, formulaic phrases, could be anyone's email. With a voice brief, your natural tone, your sentence patterns, sounds like you actually wrote it. 1 line made all the difference. Now, let's show, don't just tell. Paste 2 to 3 real email samples and add this. Write a new email in this same voice about the quarterly review results.
When you give AI samples, it picks up patterns you might not even realize you have. The way you start emails, the length of your sentences, whether you use contractions. It mirrors all of it.
And it goes deeper than you think. It picks up how you open emails, whether you say, "Hey team," or "Hi everyone," or just jump straight in. Your sentence length, whether you use contractions like "we're" and "don't," or spell everything out. Even how you close and sign off, all from a few samples. One more technique that makes a huge difference, the anti-pattern list. This is where you tell AI what you never say. Things like, never use the phrase, "I hope this message finds you well." Never start with, "I am writing to inform you." Never end with, "Please do not hesitate to reach out." Never use the word synergy. Never use "as per our previous discussion." This is surprisingly powerful. It is easier for AI to avoid specific things than to match a general vibe. So here is your full workflow. 1. Grab 3 to 5 real writing samples from your sent folder. Takes 2 minutes. 2. Write your 1-line voice brief. Takes 30 seconds. 3. Save it as a custom instruction or keep it in a note you paste in every time. 4. Optional.
add your anti-pattern list. That is a one-time setup, maybe 10 minutes total. And from that point forward, every piece of AI writing sounds like you, not a robot. This is the slight edge. Most people will never take 10 minutes to do this. They will keep getting generic output and keep complaining that AI sounds robotic. You will not be one of those people.
If you want the exact voice brief template I use, plus 9 more AI prompts that actually work at work, grab the free guide, link in the description. And if you want the full system, 50 prompts for real work situations, that is in the description too. If this was useful, subscribe. I put out one video every week on using AI at work without sounding like a robot or losing the human touch. Stay sharp, stay ahead, see you soon.